Skyler with Ignite attachments. This is our 66-inch snowblower. You can see it's even pretty tall here. So you can just send that snow where you don't want it. So get it out of your driveway, that kind of thing. I'm gonna show you just a couple adjustments on it today. Show you how to install a hydraulic rotation kit that we sell for your chute here. So you don't have to reach back and turn it all the time. You can use your third function kit. You will need a third function kit on your tractor to run it. This is how it'll come to you. We'll have the PTO shaft secured in the auger that comes ready out of the box, off the pallet, ready for quick hitch. Or if you want to pick up a quick hitch, those are available at igniteattachments.com. If you do have a quick hitch, I would suggest sliding this 3-point frame back. You just have to take these 2 bolts out on either side, and then this bolt on the top here, and just slide this whole 3-point connection back. 3/4 inch bolt down here, and these are 1 1/8 inch on that big guy there. There is some adjustment on your top link pin here too, depending on how your top link is set. If you don't like how it's lifting this up, you can pitch this backwards, or you could slide your bottom piece back and pitch that forward. Either way, you just have to loosen 3 bolts. If you have any questions regarding PTO shaft speed, any of your maintenance items, you can always find your manual, operating manual at igniteattachments.com. You just search for your attachment. This is our 66-inch snowblower. And scroll down, check your compatibility, all the details and benefits. It's adjusted horsepowers, and then all your product support here. So you can click on your operations manual. This will take you through everything that you might have questions on, from PTO shaft length, if you need to shorten that, gearbox oil, all the safety decals, hooking it up. So all that is available on our website, easy for you to use. For your PTO shaft, just have to remove this shield. They're a 3/4 inch bolt. Tape just holds your lock and key on here. Need a 13mm for the bolt to hold the PTO shaft on the gearbox. Just line your key line. There's a 3/16 Allen bolt here to lock everything down once you get it there. Don't forget to grease your PTO shaft. Check your gearbox for oil. Also, just check all your chain tensions. Again, if you have any questions on that, you can check the manual out online on our website. We do have grease available on our website as well, so you can pick some of that up when you grab your snowblower. There are some adjustments on the handle here if you want to extend this towards the tractor, just to make it a little easier to turn. If you need to adjust your top link or move it closer to the tractor, again, it's top bolt here and your 2 lower bolts on either side. You can loosen these larger bolts to be able to tilt this top link back. You have about 6 inches of adjustment to slide this towards the tractor, away from the tractor. Make it so you can confirm your PTO shaft length is perfect. You'll want about 2 inches of play in there at its most compressed length. That way you're not bottoming that thing out. So you got a snowblower. You're tired of turning around and rotate this unit. You can order one of these bad boys. The hydraulic chute rotation kit. Comes with everything you need, your hoses, the little dry motor, and instructions again can just be found on our website. You can print them off if you really want to, or just go to our website and everything is available on your phone. You can print them off if your heart desires, but we just put them right here so you can look at them on your phone. You can zoom in on them, and there's all your install instructions, parts list, the whole nine. So simple as that. IgniteAttachments.com. All you need for your install to get the hardware mounted is a 9/16. Half inch is not a 9/16. You don't want this all the way downhill, because you'll get grinding on everything. So you just want it to sit in between the teeth where it can grab but not bind on everything. Now we just have our 4 hydraulic fittings. So one's going to be a 90 off the motor here, and the other end is going to be your Pioneer coupler for your 3-point. You can grab a couple zip ties. Keep all your hoses kind of tucked nicely together. Plug in your tractor, and you're ready to rock and roll.